So now I'm flying from Mauritania to Morocco, and together with me, so I'm so happy that I'm having a car ambassador. So Madam Hosna, okay, and Mr. Badar is with me. Okay, so we have a very interesting meeting in Mauritania. Okay, so we are taking the member here. You see, look at Africa. Africa now is the last frontier in marketing. Okay, with 1.5 billion people. Okay, so now we are standing on top of the iceberg. Okay, we are standing on top of the big mountain. Okay, then from here, actually, we can expand throughout the whole area. Then especially we have to mention about Morocco, because Morocco is doing very well. Okay, and we are progressing so well in Morocco. Then we will take Morocco as a benchmark. Okay, so the system of Morocco we're going to apply throughout the whole Africa. Okay, then whenever you go, there is no change of system. It's the same. Okay, so that the Morocco prices, Morocco system will be the same throughout the whole Africa. Okay, so maybe in the future we shall do the same. So maybe for Turkey, for Middle East. Yeah. So we hope all of you will join DXN. Okay. Then today we are very happy with Badar and also with Madam Hosna. Okay. So after that we will be in Morocco.
Yes.
Okay. And they have more meeting, more interaction with you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Lim. Thank you so much.
It's
okay. I just wanted to thank you for the opportunity, Dr. Lim. It has been a truly positive change in my life.
Yeah,
not only professionally, but also in my life. I've learned a lot.
Yeah, yeah.
Growing in confidence.
Yeah, yeah.
I had the chance to meet
So many people.
truly, inspiring people.
Yeah, yeah.
So thank you so much, Dr.
Yeah,
Lim.
most welcome.
I will never ever forget.
Yeah,
As
yeah.
always, I'm alive. Forget the first time when I met you.
Yeah, yeah.
HQ in Malaysia.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So many places we met before.
Yeah.
Yeah, HQ.
So thank you so much, Dr. Lim, for this big opportunity.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Most welcome.
Thank you.